Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to use a graph to estimate the values of x such that e to the x is greater than 1 billion. So what we do here is we can pull up a graphing calculator and graph the function e to the x. I have it in Desmos right here, and graph the line y is equal to 1 billion. Now obviously we're going to have to zoom out a little bit, and the function basically becomes unrecognizable. But eventually we come to this point, right? And we can zoom in on the intersection point. And you have to zoom in a lot, so I'm not going to do it on the actual screen. What happens is you zoom in, you zoom in, you zoom in, and you get to the point where you can actually see the intersection point. And it happens right here at x is equal to 20.723, y is equal to 1 times 10 to the 9th, or 1 billion. So therefore, at e to the 20.723, the function e to the x passes 1 billion. Therefore, 20.723 is the value that the problem is looking for.